Hey guys, I'm here to talk about the 25 large Spirit Blade saddlebags made from Viking. These bags were specifically designed for a 2020 Indian Scout bobber. When in the market for purchasing saddlebags, I took three things into consideration. 1. Durability. 2. Installation. And 3. Looks. Durability. These Viking bags are made from a high quality leather and have a hard shell construction inner layer inside to maintain longevity. These Viking bags are also waterproof for those unexpected climate changes on the road. Installation. Installing these saddlebags was a pretty easy task for me. It took me around 20 minutes to install the bag from the box to the motorcycle. The bag comes with all included hardware, saving you the headache and time of finding any hardware that matches both your motorcycle bag and your motorcycle. This Viking bag does not require any turn signal relocation, meaning it gives you the full storage capacity of 1525 cubic inches.
Step-by-step instructions for your Viking bags could be found in the Vikings page by scrolling all the way to the bottom.
Appearance. I love the way that Viking bags are not only just practical, but they look absolutely amazing. These bags incorporate the classic style with the modern convenience. As a female rider, I feel like it's very important to have that storage capability when it comes to riding, whether it's to carry random stuff or necessities. And with these Viking saddlebags, it gives me that opportunity. And as you can see here, you have the hard lining on here, and with that gives you the peace of mind that it's weatherproof. If somebody throws something, your items will be protected. And in here, I'm going to demonstrate what I carry during my rides and how much of it I carry. So as you can see here, it's empty. And with that, I carry a water bottle. It's very important to stay hydrated during these trips, whether it's a long trip or short trip. In there, I also carry an extra pair of gloves because the weather changes all the time. So you never know. It's important to have these in there. I don't have a shield on my bike. So I always tend to stop by at random times to clean my shield. In there, I carry a spray with a cloth on there. I always carry my camera mount to capture all those special moments. And the important thing is carrying your tool bag. And as you can see, it fits perfectly fine in there with no issue. There's a double lock capability here. This is just a regular lock. You could do it on both sides. And then you have the key lock, which it does give you 2 extra set of keys. And sure enough, and to open it, you turned to the other side and voila. Just don't forget that you have the double lock in the bottom, and it's there. These saddlebags are so durable and versatile. I would definitely recommend them to anybody who has an Indian Scout. These bags don't rattle nor do they shift when you're riding. They do exactly what they're supposed to do, which is give you that space for your motorcycle. Plus, they look pretty. My favorite feature about the bags is the fact that they blend in so well with my motorcycle. In the beginning, I was a little skeptical about buying the bags. However, once installed, they just worked perfectly fine with my motorcycle. It looks like it's meant to be part of the motorcycle instead of me adding onto it. Another feature I like is the fact that these bags are within reach. I can always open, grab stuff, and open and put stuff away. And no need to get off my motorcycle to do that. And it works on both ends, same thing. I'm able to close and open, reach for things, and it's very convenient for me.
I 100% recommend the Viking system for your motorcycle. I chose this style, however, they do have many other options on their website offering both hard bags and soft bags to fit your personal style and needs. These Spirit Blade large motorcycle saddlebags are available for a great price of $310 at your online Viking store.